Welcome to Awesome Artwork. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cool 3D race car. First we're going to want to draw the body here. So we're gonna make like a small curve right there. Line down. It's gonna be a box shape right here. This is gonna be one of the side air intakes. Comes up and connects to that one. This one comes up, makes a curve like that. So, and then another small square on the inside of it, like that. So that's going to be one side. That's going to be the air intake on one side. Actually, small line like that. And then we're going to have, next, we're having the place where the guy sits. Here, a big curve like that. Then we're going to have the going back down the car like this, a curve connecting it. Now we're gonna make the back big wing thing, I guess, fender or whatever. Here it is. It's gonna be a big rectangle-ish thing back here, like that. Line down, then another line like this, a line over here, and then a line on the inside connecting it. Just all the inside stuff now, just in a line like that. Now we're going to have the other side of the other air intake on the other side. Same thing, but it's just that much. See? Lines like that. Then we're going to finish the front of the car. Like that. There's not actually going to be a guy sitting in it. But now we're going to be making the windshield. Now make a curve like this. Then come along like this. A long line all the way to there. And then do this one on this side. And connect them like that. Then we're going to draw like this, like that. Now we're gonna draw the wheels. Circle here, and then another most of a circle on this side, like that. Then add the pipes connecting it, just like that. Then on this side, add the pipes, 3 of them. Then we're going to put the inside of the wheel, like that. Then the wheel itself. Nice big wheel. Then we're going to add the front, this side, the pipes, then the inside, then the wheel. Then the same on this side, except for not the same. Add the pipes, then add this side of the wheel, then add the other side. Now we're gonna make the front fender thing as well. Line out, and then make like that. another line out, then add our triangle shape there. And then on this side, do the same thing, and then just add a triangle shape like this. There. And don't forget to add the box on that side, most of the box. Then add the inside of the tires that you can see, like this. Then just finish the cockpit. Like that. And then steering wheel. There. Now, we are going to color in the tires now. Okay, we're done. I hope you enjoyed drawing this. I just added this for a little extra detail, this awesome artwork symbol. Make sure to color it and comment on what you want me to draw next. Okay.